In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a class report, a business pitch, or a quick update, Google Slides gives you everything you need to build clear, polished presentations. Start by creating a new presentation. Each slide is a canvas where you can add text, images, charts, and videos. Click to type in the preset text boxes, or use Insert to add new text boxes where you need them. For images, choose Insert, then Image to upload from your computer, search the web, or pull from Drive. If you need data visuals, go to Insert, then Chart to add bar, line, pie, or column charts, or link a chart from Google Sheets so it updates automatically. To include video, use Insert, then Video to add content from YouTube or your Drive. Keep things tidy with the Arrange menu to align, distribute, and order elements, and use the grid and guides to keep everything lined up. To keep your design consistent, apply a theme and use slide layouts. Open the Themes panel to pick a look that matches your purpose. Then, use the Layout menu on each slide to choose structured templates like title and body, section header, or 2 columns. Sticking to layouts helps your text and media stay aligned and professional without extra effort. Make your slides dynamic with transitions and animations. Open the Transition or Motion panel, choose a slide transition like Fade, and set the speed. Select an object, then add an animation such as appear or fly in. Subtle motion works best. Use it to emphasize key points without distracting your audience. For interactive elements, use links and shapes. Highlight text or select a shape, click, insert link, and choose a website URL or link to a specific slide in the deck. This is great for creating a clickable table of contents or branching paths in a training module. Shapes can act as buttons. Style them with fill and border settings so they look clear and intentional. Collaborate in real time with the Share feature. Click Share. Set permissions to viewer, commenter, or editor, and send the link. You'll see changes appear live as teammates edit. Use comments to ask questions or assign tasks, and keep all feedback in one place. When you're ready to present, click Present to go full screen. Presenter View lets you see your notes and a timer on your screen while the audience sees only the slide. If you need to share a file instead, go to File, Download, and choose PDF for a fixed layout or PPTX for PowerPoint compatibility. That's it. Now you know how to use Google Slides to create, design, animate, collaborate, and present with confidence.